Hi everyone. Have you guys ever seen how to make a Flemish eye for the wire? If you don't know, I'll show you how to do it, guys. This is the wire I bought from scrapyard, which is years ago plastic rubber outside of it. So when you do the Flemish eye, you have to take the wire off. See the wire, because this wire has got 6 strands. So you're using 3 to make a Flemish eye. So you guys will see it what I'm doing, you know. This way still. So this one, the wire is got rubber like that. So I take the completely off, and then this is the mark is going to be. One second, I'll show you guys. I'll just make it how long I need it. Okay. So this mark is going to be the center. So what I do, I just mark it. So I marked it that I know the center where it has to be, and go back till the end, maybe more. Now, because this one is a 6 strand, and then in the middle as well, so 7 strand within the middle. So what do? I take the 3 strand off. So like 3 strand off, and then tape the end of it. So I tape the end of them, because if you didn't tape it, the strand will be started coming off. Okay, and then take the strand off. So the mark is here, look, this one has to be the center. Okay, so that much is enough. So what I do, I hold them together like that. You see the marks? I put them together, and then one side. You see, guys, that's the center, dead center just now. So I put this side a couple of times. Okay, and now the other side. Guys, have a look. So when you become like that here, because you have got 2 ends, and then we have got 3 strands each side, 3 and 4. So what I do, I put inside there, and then start twisting it. Okay, when I become like this, I'll push it in. So I have got like that. So I just follow which side has to go. This one goes like that. So this one goes opposite side to the other one. you pull in and then lift that one up, and then the same thing again. This one is the opposite side. Going in. So that is one is done. So look, and the both side is the opposite side going in. So what I do now, I hold them together, take it off a bit, and then now I twist it again. So if I go one turn completely, so we have got turns here, so it's okay now. Like it's gonna become like a knot. So these ones are now, you see, these ones get tighter. So now I have to put these ones in opposite side again. So this one goes to in there, and then the other one opposite side. Okay guys, look, now is opposite side again. So what I'll do, to make sure it never comes off, I do it 3 times. And normally twice is okay, but if you do it 3 times, it will be better. So what I do, I hold the one side and then twist the other side. Okay, now push it in, and then now I go one more loop there. So exactly the same thing again, opposite side, and this one on that side. Here you go. So it will never ever come off again. So you have a loop, and then just put them in 3 times, so it will never come off. I can cut this one like that, and that's it. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, guys. So this one is called the Flemish eye. In Scotland we use this one as called as Flemish eye. Rather than splicing it, it's quicker like this. Thank you so much guys. I hope you will be enjoy this video, and I hope you will learn something from this video. And hopefully, please guys, please subscribe me and follow me, and trying to give us opportunity in the social media, we can grow up as well. Thank you so much, man. Thank you guys. Bye now.